Powers. What does this number mean? So you have a base of -4 to the power of -3 to the power of -2 to the power of -1. Using exponents' power rules, when taking the power of a number already raised to a power, multiply the powers. So the above number means -4 to the power of -3 times -2 times -1. -3 times -2 is 6, times -1 is -6. So essentially the number means -4 to the power of -6. Using negative exponents rules, this is equal to 1 over -4 to the power of 6, which is equal to 1 over 4096. Notice that the number is no longer negative. When a negative base is raised to the power of an even exponent, the value is always positive. The next part of the question asks us, which order of 1, 2, 3 and 4 makes the highest value? So what we want to do is sub 1, 2 and 3 as the base number. So we'll begin with 1. So we have -1 to the power of -3 to the power of -2 to the power of -4, which is equal to, so -3 times -2 is 6, times -4 is -24. So we have -1 to the power of -24, which is equal to 1 over -1 to the power of 24, which is equal to 1. Now subbing 2, we have -2 to the power of -3 to the power of -4 to the power of -1 is equal to -2 to the power of -3 times -4 is 12, times -1 is -12. That is then equal to 1 over -2 to the power of 12, which is equal to 1 over 4096. Then we sub for 3, so we have -3 to the power of -2 to the power of -4 to the power of -1 is equal to -3 to the power of -2 times -4 is 8, to the multiplied by -1 is -8, which is then equal to 1 over -3 to the power of 8, which is equal to 1 over 6561. Take note, it doesn't matter what order you put the exponents in, so it doesn't matter which order these are in, because we're always going to multiply them together, and no matter what order you put them in, when you multiply them together you'll always receive the same outcome. So if we take a look at our results, we can see that a base number of 1 gives us the largest value of 1. And the last part of the question asks us, which makes the lowest? So the base of 3 gives us the lowest value.